My name is RaeCreates and I love to create. And in this video, we're going to be doing a video about lightning. So as beginner makeup artists or beginner creators, one of the big issues we normally have is trying to get a good background, trying to get our lighting right and all other things. So I'm going to be doing a DIY lighting video today and I'm going to be showing you how I did it. Also, to get cheaper versions for lightning, there are ways to do it, like check online. These two stores I checked, Jumia and Konga here in Nigeria, to get cheaper lightning, but still it might not be up to your budget. So there are cheaper ways to do that. So let's get right to it.
So just open up Google and type in Konga. Click on the search box and type in ring light, so it takes you directly to search for ring lights. So there are different types of ring lights. There's this selfie ring light, which is not what we want. Then this is what we want. Ring light. Okay. So we have 48,500, we have 37,500, we have 52,500, 65,000, 36,950, 50,000, 55,900. Guys, this is expensive. This is way expensive. Like, this is not something that a beginner would definitely use, except if a person has like a lot of money. So this is like cheapest, the one of 35,000. So it's a 12-inch ring light for photography, medium, and it costs 35,000 naira. So we're going to move to Jumia and check what Jumia has. Just type in Jumia in Google search. Type in ring light in the search box, takes you directly to where ring light is. Okay, this is weird. So this is ring light, but not exactly what we want. So we're just going to upgrade our search, our keyword. So ring light photography. Let's use that. Okay, yes, this is exactly what we want. So as usual, prices are a bit on the high side. Okay, this is like cheapest one, which is 29,634. Well, it's still a bit expensive for us. So the one from Konga is 35,000, and for the cheapest one that we saw on Konga, there might be a cheaper one, but this is the one I saw. So if you search, you might get something cheaper. So the materials needed for this, I'm going to also leave the material in the description box. So first of all, you want to glue the hose to the connector. The reason why we're using a C connector is because we can connect both sides of the pipe to the top parts. Then you can connect like a rod underneath, so it helps stabilize your ring lights. So you're going to connect it and make sure that it is firm. So now we want to wrap the lights around the pipe, so that will give us that circular shape. So if you want the light to be brighter, you can use more than a box of lights. So I used just one box of lights, so you can use 2 or 3 depending on your budget. I used just one in this video. So you're just going to wrap the lights round the hose. You might have to go around it 2 to 3 times. I think I went round the hose 3 times before I finally exhausted the hose. But ensure to leave like a little light that you don't wrap around the hose. That's because in case your power outlet is a bit far. So now we're testing and it looks fine. So because the Christmas light, there are settings on it, so just change the settings until you get a stable one. For the next ring light, the materials we're going to need is a cardstock, a LED light. I got a LED light that was 10 meters, so you can get one that is 5 meters. You don't necessarily have to get one that is 10 meters because it really took a while for me to fold it up into the circle I wanted, but it was worth it at the end. So now I want to fold the light into a big circle around on top of the cardstock. So here I finished folding the light and I taped it down, and like I said before, leave enough space so that you can connect. Even if your outlet is far, you will not have to loosen your light to get space. Now I'm just going to use a pencil to trace around the lights onto my cardstock so that I know exactly where to cut and where not to cut. So take my scissors and use it to cut outside of the lines. So the next thing you want to do now is cut the inside. So I'm just going to get my cutter now and cut the inside of the circle. So now finish cutting. So we're just going to place the light on top of the cardstock just to see that it fits, and it does. Now the next thing we're going to do is take out foil paper. Now I'm going to wrap the foil paper around the cardstock that has been cut, and the reason why is so that our light can reflect well. Since it's done wrapping the foil paper around the cardstock. So the next thing we're going to do is to place the lights on top of the cardstock that has been wrapped with foil paper and tape it together. So we're just testing out the lights, and it works fine. I can't wait to test it out. So we're going right to the experimenting phase now. Let's see how it works. So you also have to make settings here too.
So guys, this is the first one. So I'm just going to change these settings to be stable. See, I either had to wrap it with wax paper or baking sheet so that to minimize the glare I was getting. So you can do that too. Guys, just tell me what you think about this. So this is the first ring light I made, so I'm going to test the second one now. No lights with lights. Guys, effect is amazing. Like, oh my god. So it works pretty well. Yeah. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe button down this side. I don't know, just down somewhere here. Also, if you liked this DIY, I want to know where I got my stuff from. You can leave comments in the comment section below, or you like to ask questions about it. Please leave comments in the comment section below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so whenever I upload a new video, you get notification about it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.